Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Girard, Manifesting Your Desires. What blocks your desires other than your beliefs and expectations they cannot be achieved? Many will focus on all the worst case scenarios and create the essence of their thoughts and emotions. The more negative emotion you give, the more power you give to a negative outcome. On the contrary, what happens when someone really wants to achieve a dream? He focuses on it, and if he's wise, he'll take action steps to his dreams. He'll speak as if it's already happened, and he'll take whatever steps he needs to get there, because he believes in the dream. If someone doesn't believe in the dream or doesn't make an effort to believe, will he plan for it and take action steps to achieve it? At one point, there has to be a belief, or else he won't pursue it, or he'll just give up. Sometimes you have to fake it until you make it, and convince yourself it's attainable. Convince yourself that the divine dwells inside you, that you're worthy and God only wants the very best for you. Convince yourself of all the great minds that ever existed and what they accomplished. What do they have that you don't? They all originated from the divine. They have a body, mind, and soul like you. The only difference is they mastered their mind. They mastered their emotions, and they had unwavering faith it could be done. They persisted and persevered to their vision. However, keep in mind, there's a fine line between wanting, believing, and desperation. Desperation says, if I don't get this thing I want, I will be unhappy. With this frame of mind, you will be tossed around every time a desire isn't fulfilled, and sooner or later, you'll give up. Stop believing or become bitter. The best means of achieving your desires is to be at peace with the moment, to be satisfied with what you currently have, and to be grateful where you currently stand. Be at peace regardless of the outcome, but also focus on your desires as if they were already achieved. When you focus on your desires as if they're already achieved, there is no separation between the fulfillment of your desire and how you will feel. That's when you become a match to whatever it is you want. Would it make sense to think negative all day and get the best that life has to offer? Would it make sense to not care about life and make no effort and get everything you desire? We can say the law works in your favor because regardless of the outcome, you'll remain happy and at peace with life. In essence, life is fair and exactly the way it's supposed to be. Repeat that and let it become the essence of your beliefs and expectations. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was an amazing article. This one really blows my mind. I love this article. Thank you so much, Danny G. I'm not going to comment. It speaks for itself. And everybody out there, I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I have. It's so eye-opening and just refreshing to hear. And until next week, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day today.